hello, hi, can I just do a really quick impression for you? You have to guess this one, because the last woman, I did this impression, she didn't get it. Okay, you gotta guess. This is my favourite. What's this now, right? That's the clue. What's this, right? Not who's this, what's this? It's Rex. Little hands. I eat you. And then the little ones fly, and they're off. It's look. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex.